Hey girl, hey, we are back with another week of dinners. Let me tell you, this weekend was traumatic. Yeah, I filmed my first YouTube video yesterday, and filming with a screaming toddler all day is literal hell on earth. Just saying. So I'm really glad that we have leftovers, but I'm making a little bit more bus-up stuff to go with it. Okay, I moved it to my back camera for clarity. Am I in frame? Who knows? We'll find out. But yeah, back to the bus-up shop. Gonna make a quick little situation here. And it's so easy. It's basically just a couple ingredients: flour, salt, baking powder, and a little bit of sugar. I'm only making a super tiny little bit, but if you want the recipe, let me know in the comments, and I will make you a little video. It's only 3:15, so I gotta get back to work. And when the kids get home, we'll roll it and bake it up. Yummy, yummy, nice, nice. Okay. I am, baby. Well, it's a good thing I'm making extra because my daughter's friend is staying over for dinner tonight. These actually came out so good and so easy.
I want cup. No water in it.
You want water in it?
I want to reach water.
One sec.
I want water. I want water. And my cup.
Here. Yeah, I'm just frying these quick up in my pan right here. See? Yeah. I wish you could smell the aroma coming out of my kitchen right now. Look at that. Look at that. Let's get ready to eat. All right, hello. It is Wednesday. It's Wednesday. It's dinner time yet again. Can you guys see me? I hope so. I hope so. And I'm being lazy. I don't have my ring light set up, so you're stuck to my front window. I hope you can see. Tonight we're having like a spring roll in a bowl with ramen. I don't know, I saw it on TikTok and looked really good. That's what we're gonna make. Carrots, okay? I hope you can see me. I'm gonna do my cabbage and carrots now. To be honest with you, there's barely any carrots in there because I'm trying to use up some baby carrots I had in my fridge, and I honestly was so over grating them. Like, whatever. I'll use them up some other way. We're gonna do salt, pepper. Okay. And I guess I'm gonna cover it and hopefully it wilts down a bit so I can start mixing and adding and making it taste better. That is too small. Where's a hot plate when you need one? I don't know. Guess I'm not covering it, guys. And we're back. I hope my camera doesn't fall into that hot pot of boiling water. Okay. In my meat, I'm going to add. Can you see the meat? There we go. Okay, in my meat mixture, I'm gonna do soy sauce. The rest of the sesame oil, I don't have much left. Can't get it open. That's okay. I also don't have rice wine vinegar, so I'm going to use regular vinegar and just a splash or two. Yeah. Here, guys. Yeah, while that's cooking, I'm making a quick sauce for me and Dad. Mayo, honey, lemon, and hot sauce. I don't know. We'll see. There's no rules when it comes to your kitchen, okay? Do whatever you want. Eat whatever you want. Whatever you think tastes good. Oh, it's too sweet. Yeah. No. Way more hot sauce. Still not good, man. I know. If you know, you know. Okay, I have no beef broth. I can't talk. Okay, I have no beef broth. What I do have is this from the Mr. Noodles packets. So, I use 4 packets of noodles. I'm going to use 2 packs of these. Must be good, right? It'll be good. It's a humongous pot. Maybe I should have done 3 packs. I don't know. So I'm going to try to add it to this. Let's see. Boom. Okay. I'm gonna try to add my noodles. Oh, I already added my beef broth situation, like the seasoning packet from this. Okay, I'll be back in 100 years once I've mixed it up. There we go, I added a little bit of parsley for some fresh stuff, and I added it to a big pot because this is massive.
It's Friday. Yes, my audio cut off yesterday. Don't worry
Okay,
about
let's
it.
assemble our burgers now. Let's start with our sauce that we made. New pickles next. Listen, there's onions on there too, but I ran out of steam. I didn't feel like cutting any. Oh, and cheese. Got a video of me holding it up like this.
Look at that puppy.
Thank you for watching. Links to the Big Macs are in the description. Love you.